Hello again, everybody. Okay, for this trick, I'm going to be using my red deck of bicycle playing cards. So we've got a normal deck of bicycle playing cards. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take about half of the cards and we're going to place half of the cards face down. And we're going to take half of the cards and we're going to place half of the cards face up. So we've got half of the cards face down, and we'll take half of the cards and place them face up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the face up cards into the face down cards. So let's just get them mixed in just like that. And now we'll give it a little bit of a cut and another cut, and we'll take just like that. Now we'll take some of the face up cards and mix them into the face down cards. So we just need to get those mixed in just like that. Mix those all in, and now we'll take the face down cards and mix those right into the face up cards just like that. So those will all get mixed together. So now all I need to do is just give the cards 1 and 2 and 3 cuts, and all I need to do now is spread the cards, and there are 4 cards that are face down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 4 face down cards are the 4 aces. But that's not it. Those are the only red cards in the deck. The rest of the deck is all blue. So, this is a pretty cool trick. Let me show you how it's done. What you need is a blue deck of bicycle cards and 4 aces with red backs. Place them on top of the blue cards, put them in a red box, and you're ready to begin. What you're going to do is you're going to take the cards out, show that you have a red deck, flip them over, show all the cards, flip them over this way, and you just want to show no more than 4 cards. Then what you're going to do is you're going to break half of the cards, and you're going to flip them over just like this and grab them with your thumb so you have a break. So now you've got half the cards with a break like that. Now you're going to break these in half, and you're going to peel off the top card with these cards right here. So it's just like that. So I just took one of the aces, which is on top of a pile of face up cards. Now I've got the other pile right here of face up cards, and steal the other top ace on top of the face up cards and set those down. Now I've got 2 aces on top of the deck like this, and I'm going to flip the cards over. Now I'm going to make a break right underneath these 2 aces here, and I want to flip them over. So the way to flip them over is just like this. So you hide the deck with your hands just like that, and this is what's going on right here underneath as I'm flipping the aces over. Now I want to break half the cards and steal away one of the bottom aces with this half and set it down right here, and the other ace is right here. So now I've got face up cards with a face ace down, face up cards with a face ace down, and these 2 piles have just face aces, face down aces on top of face up cards. So first I'm going to take a face up pile with a face down pile, and the way I mix it, I want to make sure I get the face down ace on the top, and I want to make sure I get that face down ace on the bottom. So it just goes just like that. Mix them in there. Now I want to make a little break right underneath on that bottom card, and I'm going to do a double undercut. So I do 1 and then 2, and then I'm going to cut the cards and slide 1 off and put those right on top. So it looks like you're seeing a lot of red cards. Then I'm going to pick up this pack right here, and what I want to make sure that I do is I'm going to take 1 card and make sure that card goes on top, and I want the face down card to be in the second position, and the rest of the cards can be mixed up anyway. So they can all be mixed up anyway as long as I get the face down card in the second position and mix them up just like that. Now these cards need to get mixed into the middle somewhere, so no matter where they go, just as long as they're mixed into the middle of the deck just like that. Now I want to do a slip cut, which means I want to keep my finger on the top card and pull out, because the second card is a face down card. So keep my finger on the top card and pull out a group of cards from the middle, slap it on top. You can cut the cards again. I got lucky the second time that I got to a face down card again, but 2 cuts is enough. Then when you spread the cards out, there will be 4 cards that are face down. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and all 4 of them are aces, and that is pretty impressive by itself. And then when you show that the rest of the deck is not only face up, but it's blue, that'll really blow people away. So that's it. Requires a lot of practice, which I still need to do, but I thought I would show this to you because it's a really cool trick. That's it. See you next time.